Hi everyone, in this tutorial I am going to explain how we can apply long division. We have this example, divide 208 over 16 using long division. That is the symbol of long division, 208 divided by 16. First, 16 divided into 2, won't go because in 2 there is no 16. This time, 16 divided into 20 goes 1. Put 1 over the 0 here. Then 1 times 16, giving 16 right here. Then subtract 16 from 20, giving 4. We have to write it here. Then bring down 8. It becomes 48. 16 divided into 48 goes 3 times. We have to write 3 over 8. Then 3 times 16, giving 48. Subtract 48 from 48, giving 0. Hence, 208 over 16 equal to 13 exactly. Let's solve another example. We have another example. We have to divide 2016 over 16 using long division. 16 divided into 2 doesn't go. This time, 16 divided into 21 goes 1. Write 1 over 1. Multiply 1 by 16, giving 16. Subtract 16 from 21, giving 5. Bring down the 6. This time, 16 divided into 56 goes 3 times. Write 3 above the 6 here. Then 3 times 16 gives us 48 right here. And subtract 48 from 56, giving 8. Now we can write that 2016 divided by 16 giving 13. Remainder is 8, or 13 plus 8 over 16, or it equals 13.5. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in next tutorial.